Yeah. Yeah. What's up, guys? 10 seconds of yeah. It's time for maths. Oh man. Here we have again some linear equations, okay? So we went through how to manipulate algebraic expressions. So now it's time for linear equations, and I'm pretty sure we went through how to change sides. So when you change sides, for example, if you want this 8 to go to this side on the right hand side, we need to change the symbol. But first of all, I need to reiterate what I went through. This is your left hand side equals, and this is your right hand side. The thing is, to recap, let's say if this unit here is 8, a positive 8, it goes to the other side here, it will become a negative 8, right? So let me erase all of that. So once again, we need to be aware that there are symbols in front of every constant or coefficient or variable. So I will rewrite this expression again. It will be positive 8 minus 6x is equal to 2. So from here, we can convert the expression into cards. And in algebra, we want the algebraic value, the x, the unknown, to be on the left hand side. So I want the left hand side to remain here. So I'm going to write here again negative 6x because I want it to stay put there. It's equal to, but I want this positive 8, make it into a card. I want it to go on the other side. So when it goes to the other side, over the portal here, the equal sign here, you need to change the positive value to a negative value. So to rewrite all this over again, I'll get negative 6x is equal to positive 2, and the 8, once it changes sides, the positive will change into a negative. So from here we can rewrite the value against negative 6x is equal to 2, since it's a positive, minus 8. So 2 minus 8 will give you negative 6. So I'll rewrite all over again. Negative 6x is equal to negative 6. So, but the thing is, we need to change it to a positive value. Okay, I need it to be 6x. How am I going to change this negative sign into a positive? So we learn that if we multiply this negative sign by something, it will become positive. What do we need to multiply it with? Negative times negative will give us positive here. So when you multiply negative on the left hand side, you would also need to multiply negative on the right hand side, which in turn will become a positive 6. So here I go again, and now I want to isolate this x. I want it to be just x. So how does 6x become x? Through multiplication or through division. So I notice that I can divide something on the left hand side, divide by 6. If I divide something on the left hand side, I must also do it on the right hand side. I divide by 6x well. So 6 divided by 6 is x, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Ultimately the answer is 1. Alright, so let's take about 2 minutes to try out the next question yourself. So pause the video here. Yeah, okay, I'm back. So now once again I need to isolate this algebraic unknown here. I need to rewrite again everything. Positive 5 minus 3x is equal to positive 11. So I want the 3x to remain at the left hand side. So I just rewrite negative 3x is equal to positive 11. I want this 5 to change sides over the equal portal here. So positive 5 will become, take some time to think, it will become negative 5. So 11 minus 5 will give us 6. Okay, I will rewrite whatever is at the top at the next line. So now I want to change, to find an unknown value, I need to change the negative sign here. So I need it to become, convert it to become 3x. Okay, so how do I convert this negative sign to become a positive sign? So what we learned, recall, last year and this year, we need to multiply it with a negative sign. So left hand side, you multiply by negative. Right hand side, do the same thing. Oh, no space. Okay. So 3x will become negative, 3x will become 3x. When you multiply negative with a positive, it will become a negative integer. So negative 6. Why? So when you look at here, this is actually a positive value. When you multiply a positive and a negative, if we recall, it will become a negative sign. Okay, let me rewrite something like that. So you see, positive times negative will become negative. Negative times positive will become negative. The only way they are going to become positive is that the symbols are of the same sign. Negative times negative times negative is equal to positive, and of course positive multiplied by positive will give us positive. So I'll carry on from here. So 3x, we need to isolate the x, we need to find the unknown. So how does 3x becomes x? We need to divide by a certain value, usually is the number here, divide by 3. Okay, similarly for the other side, right hand side, whatever you multiply or divide on the left hand side, you need to follow suit on the right hand side. So we divide by 3 as well. So negative 6 divided by 3. If you're still not sure, take out your calculator, hit the buttons and find out the answer. You will get negative 2. And that's your final answer. So I hope you like this video. You can rewind, you can replay, and when there's time for revision, this will be a good resource. It's free and feel free to share it. So yeah! So let's make math a very fun subject to do, something that we can cope and help each other. So your effort on the paper and on every task that we assign you, and my effort to help you and guide you as much as I can, will equate to fun. Alright, thank you guys. See you soon. Yeah!